Good morning, Pips. Today is... Wait lang, anong date ngayon? Hindi ko alam. Ay, nakalimutan na! Today is basically May 23. So, let's see kung ano mangyayari this day. Hi guys! So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my life. I'm going to share my life story to all of you. Yeah, so today, dapat tonight no, di ba gabi na? No, please agree with me. Please agree with me. So tonight, we're going to make adobong kangkong. So I bought kangkong for only $3 US. I bought kangkong for only 10 pesos. Yeah, together with sayote. I don't know kung ano ang tawag sa kangkong in English, but yeah, kangkong is kangkong. At the same time, the sayote. I don't know kung ano tawag nila. Ay, kagaling, uy. Pwede nang mag-asawa. Pwede nang mag-asawa eh. Napakaliit lang ng bawang. Asa lang bawang? Hi. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko isi-set up ang camera ko na to. Yeah, set ka lang. So tonight is we're going to clean ourselves. So usually ito na yung ginagawa ko. Ito na yung routine ko every night. As I promised to myself, nagagawin ko na to before I go to bed. Yeah. I promised to myself, I made a note, I made a journal for that after I go to bed. Even though ganito to, inaalagaan ko to. Yung skin type ko pala is kinda oily, so I need to get rid of being oily person. Kanina pala is, kwento naman ako kanina. Ay, ano ba nangyari sa sa araw ko na to? Yeah, kwento muna tayo while we cleansing our face. Cleansing. I'm gonna focus para magandang kwentuhan natin. So, kanina pala is nandun ako sa ating part-time job. Paulit-ulit lang yung routine ko while nandito ako sa school. While nandito ako sa dormitory. So, every morning pumunta na ako doon sa printing to start my day na maglinis and to help them out. So, all around ako nandun. All around din akong gumagawa ng mga stuffs doon. Printing or helping out to cut some of the materials needed and to entertain queries sa mga clients doon. I really enjoyed naman, but sometimes just being tired of the same thing, the same mess na nangyayari. But yeah, it's gonna be more likely working on myself to develop my skills because there are some unusual things naman na nadidiscover ko within myself and also outside of myself. I'm being more adaptable in my environment and I'm being more adaptable to the change in myself and my phase of life. Ano yun? But yeah, let's be adaptable to change. Be a catalyst of change. Change is naturally happen. Change is naturally happen. Ulit-ulit lang yung context ng sinasabi ko. Yeah. Let's go! Tapos na. Wala ko na-introduce ang ginagamit ko na soap. I'm using this product. I'm using this product basically. Galing siya sa Alliance Global Motion. Yeah, so it's called Oxygen Bar from Natural Essential. So it comes from this. Naubos kasi iba. Dami kong chika. Yeah, going back to my kwento. Ang sakit na naman ako! And you know it's not the same as it was. Yeah. You know it's not the same as it was because tumatanda na tayo and we change a lot. Yeah,
Yes, I'm back. Hi. So after I wash my face, I apply moisturizer in my face. So I'm using Vaseline Healing Jelly. I don't think if it's a shea butter, but it's very mabango. It's very mabango. It's very soothing. So, kahit ano na nasasabi ko dito. Hi. So I just want to say something about what happened in my day. So what happened in my day? Ano pa talaga nangyari sa buhay ko? Let's remove this one. So I introduce you this thing. Yeah, I bought this from TikTok. I don't know kung ilang months ko na siya nagagamit. And yeah, it is actually cool. What happened in my entire life? What happened in my day to day? So earlier, yeah, I just really thought that my envelope, within the envelope is my clearance and also evaluation sheet and some printed photos, graduation pictures. I just really thought that it was actually lost. Yeah, I just forgot where I put the envelope that I carry when I come into our department yesterday. I immediately But yeah, nakita ko siya kaninang umaga sa table ng aking program head. My skin is kinda oily, so I need to have that. Hey, good morning. Good morning. So later on, I'm going to go back home. Ano yun? I'm going home later after my work. Mga anong oras? Hapon. Uy, ang sarap ng sabaw nila. Yeah, so I need to go home. I need to go home. We'll never say goodbye. There are a lot of nice clothes here. I am planning to buy this kind of polo because it's kind of summer. Ala, very nice too. Inaantok na ako. Very dry ako masyado na. Look at my lip. Para siyang puwet ng manok. Hi guys, so for today's video, naampoy na ako sa buhay ko. Pagod na ako sa buhay ko. Wait lang, may pangarap pa tayo. So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa unit top of the world. Pagod na ako. Wait lang, ano kinakapagod ko? Wala naman akong ginagawa sa buhay. Ang dami kong damit, like yan, mga damit ko yan na nakastock. So if you're going to get one, yeah, so you need to comment there sa baba para maka-avail or para makakuha ng mga freebie. Like ang dami talagang stock na binibili sa akin. And yung iba binibili ko rin kasi ang kapal ng mukha ko. Nandito akin lahat, uy. Bagay ito sa akin. Hello guys, it's been a while. Very hyper ang person ngayon. I'm creating a curriculum vitae for application in one of the prestigious award in our institution. So basically, I'm making or I'm recalling some of my previous events where I belong, where I joined some of the organization that I took up so some of the organization and some of the seminars and workshops that I'm involved. Can't believe na ang napakarami pala ng mga kasipsipan ko dati. So, by the way, nandito ako sa bahay. My work today is I'm just trying to apply. So, this is actually my application for that prestigious award. So, my mantra for myself is, if it's for me, then it's for me. And if it's not, then okay. At least I tried. Basta try and try lang. If it doesn't work, at least we tried. Diba? So basically, nag-post ako kanina ng another content. To all incoming college students, interact to my post and comment their expectation in college. Sure. Let's talk about that one in the next content of my vid in my YT channel.